All right, I met up with Tani today and I'm gonna ask her to solve the rocket puzzle. So, the goal of the rocket puzzle is to get that red piece out of the rocket without touching the rocket. And no, you can't use like this pen. You can't borrow Randy to hold something so you gotta get that red cylinder out of the rocket.
Do I have to blow on it?
Have you seen this one before?
No, I have not, really. Do we have to like blow on it? I can't blow on it? Trying to think here.
You just can't use any external tool like a physical object like a pen, a hammer. People always like to talk about hammers, but you got to get the red cylinder out.
Like, can I touch this part?
You know, I think intentionally, you're not, yeah, it won't, well, yeah, you could try, but I don't think it's going to work because you can't grip it because it's too pointy. I think you're supposed to like not be able to touch the base, but you can touch that, but as you can see, it's not working.
Is there like another hint here? Just a little bit?
Well, I could tell you a hint was you've come up with the answer since we've been talking about it.
Oh.
You can bring it closer to you if you want, just so it,
Okay.
to solve it, you just can't touch it.
It's not coming out. I don't.
That's the closest you've probably gotten.
You should go down, shouldn't you?
I tried.
There you go.